On the behalf of Beehive Homes of America, we want you to have this plaque, which says, "May God's blessings be upon you in great abundance as you celebrate this special day. Happy birthday from your family at Beehive Homes." Thank you.
Thank you so much for inviting me here today. My name is Kiki Knowles, and I'm from the New Mexico Aging and Long-Term Services Department. And I am here on behalf of Governor Susana Martinez and Cabinet Secretary Designate Miles Copeland. And I just want to say happy birthday, Mr. Ortiz. And on behalf of the Governor and on behalf of Secretary Copeland, who couldn't be here today, I present you with this certificate of recognition to go with your other awards, it looks like. And this is a letter as well for you to open because it's private. And happy birthday. Thank you so much for having us here today. And I know you guys